Hello everyone, today I received the black color of the Xiaomi Mi 9T. In my channel I already have a blue color and a video of a red one. By the way, that red one is a very detailed unboxing in which I show you some features. It's like a mini review as well, so I will post the link in the description or maybe in the right corner. I bought the 64 gigs. I think nowadays it is good enough, unless you are filming 4K videos with high frame rate. For me, that's enough. This is like unboxing an Apple product. They like to mimic everything. The packaging is the same as the another Xiaomi phones that I showed you before. In here you have a case and some documentation, as well this tool. Oh, by the way, what is this? This is the cutoff. The case is pretty nice. It's black in all models. If you have the blue version or the red version, if you don't like the color or if you don't like to show it off, this is a nice option to make it more, let's say, discreet. And here we have the phone, and underneath the phone, the charger and USB Type-C cable. This is a fast charger. It charges at, I believe, 20 watts. Yeah, it's pretty much 20 watts. It has a 48 megapixel triple camera. This one. The display is very reasonable. It has a high capacity battery. It can go all up to 1 day or more. It's a very fast phone, I might say. For the price and quality, it's a very good phone. I like this detail they put in the power button, this red accent color, the contrast between the black and the red. For me, I like red and black, as you can see there. And here you have the black version of the Xiaomi Mi 9T. It tends to mimic some carbon fiber in here in the edges. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Well, if you don't like the blue and red color, this is a very more discreet version. Also, they put this detail in the power button. Very nice to see. Pop-up camera with red LED indicator. Phone jack. Nowadays, almost no phone has this. And it's pretty much it. I have a more detailed unboxing of the red version of this phone. It's like a mini review, as I said before, and if you want to see it, just click there. And If you're wondering what is that, this is a MacBook Pro. I will put the video of the unboxing and the review very soon. Stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching.